With the text-to-speech tool I'll show you in this video, you can start making content and that way money from anywhere, anytime without using your own voice. If you've ever recorded content where you used your own voice or you even showed up in the video, you know that it's easier said than done. For a professional voiceover recording, you need the combination of clear speech and voice acting skills maybe, a high-quality microphone, and silence. The first one only requires practice and maybe The first one only requires practice and maybe some level of training. The microphone is a financial expense, and the third, well, it's often just luck, unless you have a soundproof room. So really professional sounding voiceovers can be recorded anytime, anywhere. This is where naturalistic AI voices come in the picture. With a text-to-speech tool, like the one I'm about to show you, you can turn a script into a professional voiceover in minutes. Now, I must say that AI voiceovers don't fit all purposes, as they will lack the emotional load a real person can put behind a voice. But for tutorials, technical walkthroughs, fact-based content, etc., they're perfect. The tool I'll be showing you is a text-to-speech tool in the UniConverter. So if you don't have the UniConverter, first download it from videoconverter.wondershare.com. When you have it, open it up. The text-to-speech tool is within the audio tools section. The interface is very user-friendly. On the left side, you can write your script or insert it if you have it written already. And on the right side, you'll find the voice library. You can filter the voices by language, scenario, gender, age, and each one will have a different tone. You can also listen to a demo of each voices.
Wondershare creativity simplified.
So the choice is up to you. Choose whichever fits your needs the most. The character limit for the script is 10,000 per generation. Before you have to commit to exporting, however, you can listen to a full preview of the script with your chosen voice. You can fine-tune your voices using pitch, speed, and volume controls, or just try a completely different voice, of which you can listen to a preview once again. In the end, click on Export to get your voiceover.
Now you can use this as the base of your video. And yes, this is now an AI voice talking to you. Quite convincing, isn't it?
And these two factors matter a lot, as the fastest way to YouTube monetization is fast and high-quality content. So now that you know all this, all you have left to do is start creating. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.